This is an ultimate guide for newcomers to the United States, specifically for those who are looking to connect with other Vietnamese communities here in the US. This video is part of a series called Where Are They Now?, which focuses on sharing stories of the Vietnamese diaspora. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I am a Vietnamese American, and in today's video, we're talking about where to find Vietnamese food, businesses, and most importantly, other Vietnamese people in the US. The US has a large Vietnamese American population at over 2 million, and according to a 2019 census, there are over 700,000 people of Vietnamese descent living in the US today. Most Vietnamese immigrants are from two main groups: those who came after the fall of Saigon in 1975 and those who fled communism in the 1990s after the fall of the Berlin Wall. There are also smaller populations of Vietnamese Americans from the 1980s and 2000s. The first wave of Vietnamese refugees who came to the U.S. primarily settled in Southern California, specifically in the cities of Westminster, Garden Grove, and Little Saigon. Since then, many have moved to other parts of the country, like Texas, Florida, and Virginia. But Southern California still has the largest population of Vietnamese Americans. In recent years, there's been a huge growth in the Vietnamese American population in North Carolina, specifically in the Research Triangle area of Raleigh, Durham, and Chapel Hill. A lot of this has to do with the strong economy and job opportunities in these cities. I lived in Raleigh for 3 years and loved it, so I'm hoping to do a follow-up video on this soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But for now, let's talk about the top 3 cities with the highest Vietnamese populations according to the 2020 census. Number 3 is Houston, Texas, with almost 60,000. No, if you're interested in connecting with other Vietnamese professionals in these areas, I recommend checking out VASTA or the Vietnamese American Student Association. Almost every major city has a chapter, and it's a great way to network and meet other Vietnamese Americans in your area. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. As always, be sure to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.